Hey everyone, Rob the Backyard Gardener here, and it's time to get my potatoes harvested. They've been in the ground about 82 days. Still probably a week or two early, but I'm going out of town for literally 15 of the next 18 days, and I don't know if I'm gonna get a chance, and the potatoes are dying. You'll see that in a second. I've had mice trying to dig them up, and I know if I go out of town and no one's here for a while, they'll just be digging them like crazy. I've probably lost already at least a half a pound to a pound. Who knows what else I've lost, but I wanna get them dug up, see what I got. 82 days, I'll have a lot of early ones, a lot of small ones most likely, but I'm happy with that. The small ones taste great, to tell you the truth, and I'm not looking for a whole bunch of poundage. I'm just looking for enough to feed me and the family for maybe a few weeks. So anyway, let's go get started. So here's the potato patch. You can see a lot of it's died down, died back. We have stuff as bad as this, to this, to this stuff getting blight right here, and we still even have some healthy stuff, and I'm tempted to leave maybe the plants that are doing really well in for a little bit longer, because I know for sure the potatoes are probably still getting a little bit larger, but we'll see. I'm gonna have to start probably from this end and just work my way down this way, and I'll start off by cutting all the tops off of these, which I'll show you, and then we'll get in there and we'll see how they end up coming out. I will tell you that I did take a little peek in here. You can see we got a couple of surface potatoes down over here. If I dig, there's another one over there. And again, I could go through all of this and show you, but it looks like we got a pretty good start. Again, these potatoes were planted on February 12th. And so technically, we had 16 days of February, we had 31 days of March, and we had 30 days of April, so that's 77 days. And then we had 5 days today for this month, so that's 82 days. So that's out of the first 3 potatoes, not too bad of a haul. And for sake of time, we'll have to speed the video up just a smidgen. Well, I'm sure I missed quite a few, but let me get these guys put somewhere you can see the full harvest and get them weighed up. Now that, my friend, is a pretty big bowl of potatoes. There's all varying sizes. Some of the larger ones are about this big. Some of the smaller ones are pretty sad, but they'll eat fine. Just gotta cut them in half and microwave them or throw them on a baking pan and you can eat them. A lot of them are around this size in here. The skin's really soft yet. I haven't rinsed them very well. I just gave them a quick rinse off. These were put in February 12th and you're looking at 82 days today. So these were about a week earlier than I really wanted to. and really about 5 weeks earlier than the most ideal conditions. But I wanted some early potatoes. I like them this size. They're easy to eat. I can pop them in whenever I want. They come out great. So I'm pretty happy. I will tell you, I noticed that where it was more dry in the soil, the potatoes came out bigger. Where it was more dry with a little more sun, and then some of the low spots, they came out a little smaller. However, I'm not too disappointed. Let me get this weighed up for you all and see what kind of weight we got out of those. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take out potatoes. I'm going to put them in this little strainer. I'm going to rinse them, and then I'm going to put them on this scale over here. And then once I weigh them in increments, we'll stick them in this bowl, and I'll get you guys a total weight. All right, first batch is 4 pounds, 8.5 ounces. Let's grab another bit. Batch number 2, 4 pounds, 8.3 ounces. And the third and final batch, which is a lot of smalls, but edible as can be, 3 pounds, 2.1 ounces. So total haul ended up being just about 12 pounds and 3 ounces. Just wanted to give you a look at the side of the container that the potatoes are in so you can see the different sizes of my potato harvest today. So there you have it, everyone. Just about 12 and a half pounds of potatoes. I'm pretty stoked. Not a bad harvest for this year on the red potatoes. And I still have another set of potatoes to harvest on the other side of the yard. They're the fingerling ones. I'm tired, I'm not gonna do them today. But other than that, you all have a great day. And if you like the video, please give it a thumbs up. And if you have any comments or suggestions, as always, leave them below. Have a good day.